Hello everyone. In this video, we'll learn about a simple extension of the builder pattern to use a director. In the last video, we discussed what's a builder pattern and how it allows us to replace a giant ugly constructor call with a step-by-step approach. If you have not watched that video yet, I would highly recommend watching it first, as this video builds upon the concepts we learnt in that. So, for explaining the role and use of a director, let's continue to use our pizza example. With a variety of toppings available, we can have a lot of types of pizza. Although our pizza creation code looks much cleaner now, but it is a little verbose. If we are constructing a lot of pizzas, we'll be adding a lot of lines for object creation. And if we are creating the same type of pizza at a lot of different places, we'll basically be repeating the same piece of code over and over. So can we optimize it a little bit? And how do we optimize a repeating piece of code? Yes, move it to a separate method of its own. And that is what we do with the director in a builder pattern. So we can identify the most common or the most used configurations of the object and add their creation logic to a separate method in the director class. Director internally uses the same builder approach to set attributes step by step, but the caller can replace the verbose multi-line code with a single call to the director. Let's see how this looks in the code. Firstly, we'll create a new director class. While creating an instance of this director class, we'll need to pass in a builder instance. Now suppose most of our pizza requests are for two types of pizzas, all veggie pizza and cheese chicken pizza. So we'll have two methods in the director class for these two configurations. And each method will perform steps on the builder for the particular configuration it supports. So the method to create all veggie pizza will perform steps to add all the veggies, and the method to create chicken cheese pizza will perform the steps to add cheese and chicken. Then in the application code, we can call the build method of the builder to get our pizza object. One call out here would be to be a little careful and not reuse the same builder object or the same director object for creating two different types of pizza. It can mess things up if not handled carefully. So with this, we have completed our discussion on how the director works in a builder pattern. It helps us replace the multi-line verbose block of code with a single call to the director. We can always use that builder pattern directly to create a highly customized variant of the object in the application, but the director serves well for the commonly used configurations. Cool, so we are now done with the director, and I hope you found this video useful. Goodbye for now, and thanks for watching.